Welcome parents to Curriculum Night for English and Language Arts for Standard Plus. Let's meet the teachers. I am Allison Hamilton.
I'm Tara Hauk.
I'm Jennifer Ladani.
Here is the curriculum overview for the 2018-2019 curriculum. We will use the Common Core for 7th grade English Language Arts. The complete curriculum is available at www.northcarolinapublicschools.org.
For Language Arts for Standard Plus information, we will be using the Springboard curriculum, which is more research-based, writing-intensive, and heavy analysis of text, introduction of document-based questioning, or DBQ, focus on power stems for vocabulary, more modeling and guided practice with the students, and novel studies.
For curriculum breakdown by quarter, these are the highlights for each quarter. For quarter 1, we will be focusing on short story elements, literary elements, vocabulary study, reading strategies. Our DBQ will be Who Are the Outsiders, beginning stages of argumentative writing. For quarter 2, we will focus on a short story unit, nonfiction study, nonfiction reading strategies. Our DBQ will be focused on courage versus fear, argumentative writing, research skills, sentence structure, essay structure, and our writing will focus on style and elaboration.
Quarter 3, we will have a novel study. It is a teacher-selected Shakespeare play. Our DBQ3 is True Love True? We will focus on narrative and lyric poetry, sensory images, poetic devices, and figurative language. For quarter 4, we will revisit from quarter 1 literary elements, novel studies, test-taking strategies, and end-of-grade review.